Hi, this is Vijay Broadway channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Twitch account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Creating an account on Twitch allows you to interact with creators and the community via chat. Follow your favorite creators to receive alerts when they go live and broadcast to the Twitch community from your channel. So, how to create an account on your Twitch app? It's so simple. You can open the Twitch app. So, I just installed this app on my phone. You can just tap on sign up because we want to create the new account. You can enter your username. I will enter my username. Now you can enter password for your Twitch account. After that, you can enter your birth date. Don't forget to enter the year. You can enter your phone number. If you want to use email instead, you can just tap on email instead. I think I would just use my email. Now you can just tap on sign up. You can wait. You can open the email and verify your account. So here's you have your new account on your Twitch. It's so simple, right? You can start scrolling and find your favorite streamer on this app. So that is how to create Twitch account on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.